I did speak to the district attorney, and they told me to provide information and copies of what goes on and press charges.
Okay.
Now, but I mean, I spoke to a couple of people and they never heard of anything like this. And you never did either?
No, I don't do any criminal law, so I can't really say that I have.
No, I'm saying, have you ever seen a spouse do such a thing that she did?
Oh, listen, I've seen spouses do a lot of crazy things. So, I mean, but, like I said, family court is not where you prosecute people.
No, I'm aware of that. But, is there any way that I could say that? Can I tell the judge what's going on and explain it to her and tell her what this?
I think it'll be clear once the judge, once we present the evidence, but,
I'm just curious, how would you, I didn't even know, I'm sorry, I know you're busy, but just entertain me. How would you present something like this? Because I didn't even know where to be. I knew what she did and how she did it, but how the hell would you make heads or tails of something like this?
Well, you gotta present it, in the procedure that it's supposed to, each at a trial.
But no, but what I'm saying is, how would you tell the judge? Like
you present the evidence, and then it's hard to explain how to present to the judge. You know what I mean? You have to present your evidence, and the judge will, and you do a closing statement. It's like a whole thing. You don't just like. I mean, I can't give you a word for word script off the top of my head.
No, that I know, but how are you going to?
By the way, these money orders, the judge. If I send them to the judge, she's never going to be able to read them. So I need the actual copies.
You want the actual copies? Or you want pictures of the actual copies?
No, I need this. It's not going to work with the pictures. Unless you have a scanner and you can scan each individual thing, each individual money order. Can you do that?
Can I do a couple of...
It's probably easier to drop them off to me.
Okay. And, damn it. You could text me your office information again?
Yeah.
Where the hell was it?
36 Richmond Terrace.
36 Richmond Terrace. And that was...
Yeah, you just have to drop them off. You don't have to, you have a mailbox outside. You just leave them in there.
And you'll definitely get them?
Yeah.
Is it okay if I send my aide?
Yeah, of course. Anybody. You don't have to come yourself.
Angela, could you drop off the money orders to my lawyer?
Yes.
He's at 36 Richmond Terrace.
No. Suite 118.
Suite 118 now. Where is your mailbox?
It's right outside the office.
Right outside the office?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me just take a look 1 second. Give me 1 second, Harry. I'm so sorry. Oh, Lord Jesus.
What's the suite number again?
118. So do I need to put them in an envelope and stuff? Or...
I mean, that would be nice.
No, I mean, I know they're in an envelope now, but do they need to be marked to you, or is it your specific mailbox?
But just put Harry Chu on it, and that'll be good enough.
Very true. Okay, now let me just take a look real quick. I'm going to show her a picture of where you are. 36 Richmond Terrace, you said?
You guys were here.
Oh, no, but it's a different aid.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
And I don't even remember, to be honest with you. My life is such a disaster. Definitely got some brain damage going on. Damn it. 1 second. Oh, I remember the last time we had difficulty finding your office because there's a 36 right next door.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, but there's an entrance to the building right in between the two stores. So.
You don't know the name on the stores, do you?
I think there's a special touch like health aid office, and then there's a Jackson Hewitt tax office, and then I'm kind of like in between them.
Did you get that? So there's one that's special touch, you said?
I think that's the name of it. I can't remember off the top of my head.
Okay, but there's 2 stores. Now, I just Google Earthed it. Is there scaffolding in front of your building right now, or that's an old picture?
There is no scaffolding.
Okay. All right, yeah. So this picture must have been taken a long time ago. Okay. Let me take a look. It's not easy to find. 1 second. Oh, Special Touch Home Care Services. Then there's your door. Then there's another store there. I could show her. And if I remember correctly, there was a hydrant she could stop at. 1 second over there. Or maybe we'll just have to cut out a little early and go together. Yeah, that's what it looks like we're going to do.
You don't even have to come up. You can just, drop it off.
I mean, the mailbox is inside the building or outside?
At the building.
In the building.
Yes.
So we're gonna have to ring the bell, Suite 118 bell.
Well, you're gonna see there's a call box by the door. You just search for my name, and I can buzz you in from anywhere. So I don't even have to be here to buzz you in. And once I buzz you in, you go to Suite 118 and you put the stuff in the mailbox.
Okay, you have your own mailbox specifically?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it by the elevator or no?
That is by my office, by room 118.
Oh, you have to go to the first floor then?
Room 118.
Okay, that's on the first floor, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to take the elevator upstairs?
You take the elevator to the first floor.
Right. And then you got to go outside room 118. All right, because I was going to be, if I didn't say this to you right now, I would have been searching for a mailbox in the lobby. Okay. I also, part of the reason why my children don't talk to me, Harry, is because my ex-wife told them that I was a deadbeat. And that I wasn't supporting them all these years, when in fact I was, obviously. Correct?
Obviously.
Obviously I was, because my children think that I abandoned them and I wasn't paying them. And in the meantime, I didn't want to tell them when they were younger that their mother was basically using them to shake me down.
Well, I mean, they're adults now, right?
Yeah, one of them is an adult, the older one, obviously. So I could tell them, I guess I could tell them, but are they going to listen?
I don't know.
But now, just so I know for my own math abilities, I know I'm wasting your time. I paid her 3 times for the first 2 years and paid her 2 times, soon to be 3 again, for the rest of the years. Correct?
I believe so. I don't have your file in front of me, so.
But that sounds about right.
Right.
What's that?
I said it sounds about right.
Okay, cool. Oh, I didn't hear that. Sorry. All right, Harry. It just means a lot to me. This court date means a lot to me.
Okay.
I wish I could record it, but I know you're not allowed to. You go to jail, right?
That is a crime.
Yeah, so unlike my wife that doesn't give a shit about the law, I do.
Don't have anybody record it.
I know. I wouldn't dare. But, what a sin. The kids don't talk to their father. She took their father away. All these years. Just because she had a vendetta against me. To erase somebody. Unbelievable. There's nothing. My other daughter is 16. Is there any way that we could force the judge, not force the judge, ask the judge to force her to bring her? What's that?
That is a different proceeding with a different court. I mean, a different judge, different courtroom, and everything. If you want to file a visitation petition or an enforcement petition when it comes to visitation or something like that, it's a separate case altogether.
Can we do that?
Could we do that? Of course we could do that. It's up to you if you want to do it.
I do. And my ex-wife, when the judge in the past, when Honorable Judge DiDomenico, I believe her name was.
Yeah.
She had ordered my daughter to go for psychiatric counseling. And my ex-wife brought her once and then told her she didn't have the money. When she indeed scammed, billed it back, money and all kinds of other stuff back then. She got paid for the house. I let her pocket $1 million and she didn't care that I let her go. But anyway, here nor there. Is there any way that I could, even though she's 16,
answer that question. What it's going to come down to is whether your daughter at 16 wants to see you or not.
Right, but is there any way to force the court to force my ex-wife to bring her to psychiatric counseling because of this?
I mean, the court could order your ex-wife to take her to counseling or produce her for a visit, but it's very hard to make a 16-year-old do something that she doesn't want to do. You know that. But, if you feel like it's worth a try, then it's worth a try.
How much would you charge me for that?
I mean, look, you gave me a retainer already. I'll just keep working it off the original retainer and see how far it goes.
Okay.
You know?
All right. What am I? How much of it did I spend so far? You think, or you don't know?
I don't know right now. I don't. Like I said, I haven't really calculated. Not much. I mean, I'll send you an update in a couple of weeks for sure.
Well, I don't know if I'll be around in a couple of weeks.
You will be. You'll be fine. You're gonna be all right.
I don't know, buddy. You don't know what's involved. Everybody's like, why would the doctor do it if it's so dangerous?
That's my thought. The doctor's got to know, like, have some idea what he's doing, right?
No, he definitely does, but I'm gonna die anyway, so that's the reason why he's doing it.
Well, you have to tell that to
You know.
good. Time for you to live down.
So, well, God bless you, Harry.
Oh, God.
Is there anything else I gotta touch base with you on or no?
No, we're good. I'll be looking into the rest of your file later this week, and I'll let you know if I need anything. Okay?
Okay, Harry. God bless you.
All right. Take care.
Take care.